Understanding the difference between CPU cores and threads is crucial for optimizing computer performance and making informed decisions about hardware upgrades. Here's a simple explanation of the difference between the two. A CPU core is a physical part of the processor that executes instructions and performs calculations. It's like the brain of your computer, responsible for handling tasks independently. Each core can run a separate set of instructions simultaneously, allowing for true parallel processing. This means multiple tasks can be executed at the same time, improving overall performance. Think of a CPU core as a kitchen stove. Just as a stove can have multiple burners, a CPU can have multiple cores. Each burner, or core, can cook a different dish, or task, simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight process or a sequence of instructions that a CPU can execute. Threads share resources with other threads within the same process but can run different instructions. Threads allow for multitasking within a single core by rapidly switching between different tasks. This gives the illusion of simultaneous execution, improving responsiveness and resource utilization. In the kitchen stove analogy, threads are like different dishes being cooked on the same burner. While only one dish can be actively cooked at a time, the stove can quickly switch between dishes, allowing multiple tasks to be managed efficiently. Hyperthreading is a technology that allows a single physical core to be divided into two virtual cores, enabling it to handle two threads simultaneously. This enhances multitasking performance by utilizing and use resources within the core. Imagine a stove burner that can magically split into two smaller burners, allowing two dishes to be cooked at the same time. This is similar to how hyperthreading works, increasing the number of tasks a core can handle. In summary, CPU cores provide true parallel processing, while threads enhance multitasking within each core.